Hi all, let's see what it is, straight from Amazon Prime. This is a car rear camera for the reverse, and because I have an old car without a camera, I thought to add it to my car. And the basic of this one is that it is wireless, which means that there are minimal connection between the rear part and the front part of the car. Basically you have an LCD with the view, of course, and then you have the rear camera that is connected near the plate license number, the rear one, and then it is connected to the reverse light, and when there is a reverse it is transmitting to the front LCD. So you can connect just the LCD to the cigarette lighter, or I will be connecting it to my fuse box in order to be without external wires. And about the reverse light, I need to see how to do it. I assume that this is a simple thing to do, so I will use a fluke to find basically I don't need a fluke because you have the white light, which is the reverse, and you just need to see where the light bulb is and go over the wire and connect. But let's see what is in this box. Okay, so we have a manual, and then one part, and then all the boxes. Whoa, and many cables. Okay, and a tooth stripper and another wire and antenna and they also supply these, which are connectors to connect to existing wires without cutting them, if you're familiar with this option. So I will tell you how it is work. You just close it on the wire, on the original wire, and then it cut it, and you add another wire, and they are connected when you close this plastic. So basically very simple. And now this is probably to the reverse, this is probably to the LCD. Just trying to figure out how it goes. So here is the antenna, very simple. Just plug it like this, and then you have this power connector, and this is the LCD part. The camera is much more connections. This is just one connector to your 12 volt car 12 volt, which you can use with this one, with this connector, I assume. Yes, it's fit in. Or you can use this cigarette lighter, so you will not have to take apart anything from your car. So one option and two option. And now let's go to the camera itself. So you have to connect two screws, and then you have here your antenna that you of course shouldn't cut, because this is the antenna, and if you will cut it, it will be with poor performance. So, wow, this is the antenna, so I need to see how to connect it, and this is probably going to this one, yeah, and this will go to your reverse car, and this is just a holder to, yes, this is just a holder to the LCD itself, so I can, yeah, just use it like this, and then I can pick any angle, or to put it on the dashboard, or to put it I guess on the front window of the car by vacuum. Yes, this is by vacuum. So you have few options, and the first thing that I would like to do, of course, is to test it. So in order to test it, it's basically very simple. Just use all the wires that you get and connect them to 12 volt, and then you are done. So let's just see that it is working properly. Of course, first time opening it, so I hope everything will be good. So maybe I will do it not very professional this time, just for a very basic test. So I will not be soldering it. Of course, be careful when doing it about the polarity, because if you're doing a wrong polarity, so it depends if it will burn out immediately, or maybe it has some protection, but these things you don't really want to test. And it is already working. You can see it's working pretty well. Okay, so you can see everything pretty well. So okay, so this is okay. I can see now the monitor and all my table, and you have few, I think, setup. Where are the buttons? There are buttons in the rear part, so you can adjust the contrast, the light, and also you can rotate the screen view. So it depends what orientation you put for this one. And also probably you can adjust, I think you can adjust the wires. You can adjust the lines. You can adjust these lines. Now why the signal stopped? This is interesting. I know, because you have cam 1 and cam 2, so you have few options of connection. You can connect two cameras to this device if you want one for the rear and one from the back of your car. So this is very nice also.